great choice today with the 2020 Rogue. The stylish Rogue gets 27 miles per gallon and still boasts nearly 58 cubic feet of cargo space. With a 5-star side impact safety rating and confident handling, the Rogue is more than you expect and everything you deserve. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, brake assist, daytime running lights, tires front all season, tires rear all season, 4-wheel disc brakes, wheel covers, steel wheels, FWD, variable speed, intermittent wipers. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.